Imagine a TV that promises to give you OLED's perfect blacks and QLED-level brightness. This is the LG OLED evo AI G5 Smart 4K TV, and after a week of living with it, I found out exactly what they don't mention in the ads. Spoiler, while it hits some lofty heights, there are trade-offs you'll want to know about. Stick around for the verdict. LG OLED evo AI G5 Smart 4K TV product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the LG OLED evo AI G5 Smart 4K TV, LG's flagship OLED for 2025. It launched in early 2025 and spanned sizes from 48 inches all the way up to 97 inches. It's aimed at home theater lovers, gamers, and anyone who wants top-tier TV status in their living room. Its key selling proposition: OLED perfect blacks meet ultra-high brightness, high refresh for gaming, and advanced AI processing for upscaling and picture enhancement. LG OLED evo AI G5 Smart 4K TV performance. Alright, specs are one thing, but how does the G5 actually perform in day-to-day use? I use the 65-inch model in my living room for movies, streaming, gaming, and everyday TV watching. First up, picture. Watching a dark scene in the middle of a bright afternoon, I was still seeing deep blacks without the washed-out gray that many bright room OLEDs struggle with. Reviews back this up. Independent lab results show the G5's new panel hits brightness figures significantly higher than previous LG models. The result? HDR content looked more pop than your typical OLED, especially in the sunny room. When switching over to gaming, I plugged in my console and even my PC. The G5 felt fast, with support for up to 4K at 165 Hz via HDMI 2.1, variable refresh, VRR, and low input lag. It delivers smooth gameplay. The menu response is snappy, apps launch quickly, and streaming felt seamless. No lag that jumped out at me. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout tech and, more importantly, what it means for you. Brightness Booster Ultimate and new panel tech. LG claims up to 45% more brightness than last year's G4 in its 55 to 83-inch models. What that means is, in a bright room with daylight or multiple light sources, this TV holds up better than many OLEDs that look great only in dark rooms. AI1 AI Processor Gen 2. This is the engine behind upscaling, motion handling, image cleaning up. For you, that means Netflix streams, lower resolution cable channels, or even dusty Blu-rays will look sharper and more refined than they might on a keeper set. Gaming ready, 4K 165 Hz plus HDMI 2.1 VRR. Yep, the G5 supports up to 165 Hz at 4K plus AMD FreeSync Premium, NVIDIA G-Sync, VRR, and ALLM. If you're a PC gamer or console gamer who wants top performance, this is a serious plus. Design and build. Aesthetically, LG knocked it out of the park. The G5 has a gallery-style, ultra-thin profile, especially when wall-mounted, which most people will. The bezel is minimal, the finish is premium, and the overall look feels high-end. The build quality doesn't scream cheap anywhere. On the flip side, because it's so slim, the built-in speakers aren't going to compete with dedicated soundbars, so if audio matters a lot, plan accordingly. Also, because it is ultra-premium, it carries the weight and cost accordingly. Installation, mounting, and placement matter. For example, many sizes are wall mount only out of the box for this model. Pros: deep, rich contrast and flawless OLED blacks with far better brightness in bright rooms. Up-res and motion handling that make even older content look noticeably better. Gaming features that satisfy high-end console or PC users, 165 Hz, VRR, and HDMI 2.1. Premium build and smart features that bring flagship TV vibes. Cons: premium price tag. You're paying for top tier. Some minor quirks in extremely dark HDR scenes, posterization on rare content. Audio performance isn't matching the visual power. Likely need a soundbar to match.